Now we're getting to the good stuff. Let's talk about the 4 financial statements that companies are required to prepare. The first one is the balance sheet. The balance sheet shows the company's financial position at a specific point in time. Then there's the income statement. The income statement shows the results of operations over a period of time. The statement of cash flows, again, shows something over a period of time. It shows the sources and uses of cash over a period of time. And then finally, there's the statement of stockholders' equity. This statement shows the changes in stockholders' equity over a period of time. So we have one financial statement, the balance sheet, that captures something at a specific point in time, and then the other 3 statements capture something over a period of time. We're going to focus in this course on the first 3. They're by far the 3 most frequently used financial statements, and you may have even heard of some of them. Let's get started.